are you today finding common grounds between your agenda and a revolutionary Goans agenda?
See, I think there is a thing that we are made in Goa parties, both. So we don't have much different from each other. Rather than the fact that parties have come, Revolutionary Goan Party has come up after we have come up. They are going very clear on the definition of this. But lot of water has flown under the Mandavi from then onwards. They also need to be pragmatic about a few things. There is a statement by their MLA saying we are not against non-Goans, but we are for prioritization of the interest of Goans.
And you agree with that?
I am for the same thing. आम्ही गोंयकार पण म्हळ्यार कितें नॉन गोवनाक मारून धांवणाय म्हणनात आमी पुणून एक तूं चिंत मरे आज सरपंच जाता आनी हिंदीन उलयता गोंयांत आनी गोंयकार ताजेर कांयच रिएक्ट जावचो ना हें कित्याक जाता हें कित्याक जाता कित्याक गोंयकारां भितर एकवट ना आतां एकवट जर जाता जाल्यार इट इज बट नॅचरल एकवट जावंक जाय. Then nothing wrong in an ekvot. What is wrong in the ekvot?
That ekvot includes ekvot of Goa Forward and the RGP.
Of course, there's nothing wrong in that. If there is a common meeting ground somewhere, there's nothing wrong in that. But let us unite on issues.